friends, my name is Manmat Biradar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss a very good and very important chapter, that is certification for food quality and safety. That is very important chapter because these days many exporters and many businessmen in agribusiness are not knowing about what are the different types of certificates that's to be needed for their safety standards for international level, for exporting their business, for exporting their product, agro product. And that is very important. There are 13 various types of certificates that we are going to discuss, that is needing for the business in agro exports. Let us start. Okay, so the first we'll see, the first certificate that we are needing for our food agro food business is FSSAI. As you know, Food Safety Standards Authority of India. It is a basic certificate responsible for protecting and promoting the public health through these regulation and supervision for food safety. And this is very basic certificate needing for each and every food stuff that you are packing and you are selling in the market. That is very necessary. So FSSAI is a certificate that is needed for your every and each product that you are selling in Indian market along with your exports. So that is very important. That is the first, FSSAI. And the second now we are discussing, that is APEDA. The APEDA is an export organization, Agriculture and Processed Food Products Exports Development Authority, APEDA. Actually, it is an export authority, and hence it is adhering to the export standards, the various types of certificates needed for this export business, actually in various types of countries. Actually, Europe, America, these Islamic countries, these different types of countries require their own certification, and hence APEDA is requiring various types of these certificates, and for various fresh fruits, vegetables for export. The exporters has to set an international standards in terms of quality of produce with safety. It is very important. So APEDA is also giving various types of certificates to you for the export of your agri products. Now the third, we will discuss the Foundation Food Safety System, that is FSSC 22,000 V5. It is a certificate proves that the organization of food and safety management system in compliance with the scheme requirements. Actually, the organization which is producing the food, packing food or processed food, they are checking the system, what type of system the organization is following, and it is giving the certificate. So it is FSSC. The fourth is BRC. Actually, in European countries, in British country, British Retail Consortium recognized by the Global Food Safety Initiative, GFSI. Actually, these are the organizations which are actually checking the quality of the food, what are the elements are in the food. Actually, that total details are checked by the British Retail Consortium, and this BRC certificate is given by that authority. And it is a very important, if you are selling your product in Britain, so this is very important certificate for your product. So you need to check that the certificate is valid for your organization. The fifth, now we are checking, that is LRQA, that is Lloyd's Quality Registration Assurance. Now what is that? That is LRQA is also a certificate given by that authority, that international authority, actually international standard that specifies requirement of an environmental management system. EMS. Actually, EMS, actually environment should be protected, and that quality standards are actually checked by this authority, LRQA, and that is very important to check this, that the organization has the quality standards, and it provides a framework that an organization can follow. Actually, the organization has to be in alliance with what the quality standards set by the LRQA, and that is why the LRQA giving the certificates. Now the sixth very important actually certificate we can call is a global gap. A global gap is a certificate. Global gap means global good agriculture practices through the this certification demonstrate adherence to global gap standards that are guidelines developed by the food industry, producers organizations, governments and NGOs aiming to codify agriculture practices at farm level for a range of commodities. See, this is very different type of actually certificate, global gap, and it needs actually for many countries, and actually it is a certificate that is required. Actually, it is checked that farm level, at your farm level, what the practices, agriculture practices you are following, that is checked by this authority, and hence at your farm level also your farm produce to be very good quality, and the practices you are following is checked by the global gap certification. Now the seventh is Rainforest Alliance. Actually, this certificate is a standard requirement for environmental environmental certificate. Actually, this social economic sustainability, the plan to be built on principles of sustainable farming, namely biodiversity conservation, improved livelihoods, human well-being, natural resource conservation, effective planning and farm management system. So these to be in alliance for getting this Rainforest Alliance certificate, and that is for basically environment and biodiversity. So this certificate also is a farm management system they are also checking. So this is also a very important certificate for making your product to the quality, and and that is why you have to follow the system of an good practice of farm management. So now the eighth is fair trade. Actually, this fair trade is nothing but actually what the actually the good prices you are giving to farmers and the workers. This is very important. Actually, farmers should get their benefit of what they are producing, and that is why this is very important. We have established actually this system, fair trade, is also useful for the agro input companies that can directly meet the farmers and giving their inputs. So for get inputs like fertilizers, pesticide, and they should get in without the middleman, and that is why they are getting in a fair price, very low price, and that is very important to get this fair trade certificate. Now the ninth is TN10. Actually, Tesco Nurture 10. It is a TN10 certification scheme for producers supplying to Tesco UK with fresh fruits and fresh vegetables by obeying the following points. Actually, use of proper pesticide, use of fertilizers, prevention of harmful effects on environment, protection of health, it is very important, and after that efficient use of energy, water and other natural resources, it is important. Recycling of materials, conservation of natural and environment for production at the site. So these are the various actually criterias put by the actually UK Tesco UK society to get the certification, and hence this is a very important certificate if you are going to export your material in UK based countries. And now the 10th is FDA. Actually, FDA is actually American FDA. We in India also having FDA, but this FDA is the Food and Drug Administration, is the federal agency of United States Department of Health and Human Services. This is responsible for protecting and promoting the public health through the control and supervision of food safety. This certificate is an assurance by FDA for containing information about the product's regulatory and marketing status. This is very important. If you are selling anything in America, then you have to get this FDA certificate, and this is very important. So for getting an FDA certificate, you have to be following the rules and regulations set up by FDA in America. And now next, 11th is halal. Actually, halal is an certificate issued by the Islamic countries as per the Islamic laws. There are various types of actually laws, even religious laws. Actually, these certificates are given on the basis of the specific laws of that country. Therefore, it is used for food and consumables permissible for the consumption. If I am consuming something by food, then I have to check this, and the halal check your products, and then only you can sell your product in these countries, Islamic countries. And so for exporting to these countries is very important. The Islamic countries are a very big market actually for export, and if you are going to sell your products, agro products in this country, then you have to get this certificate, this halal certificate. Now 12th, Export Inspection Council. This is a certificate. The processing plant is to be EIA approved and controlled. This is controlled by Export Inspection Council. Actually, Export Inspection Council is a agency actually inspecting and giving this certificate for the shipment, and it is has been the requirements. Actually, it is giving the certificates as per the Export and Quality Control Inspection Act, and hence this certificate is also important as you are going to export in various countries. Now the third and 13th and the final, the Orthodox Union Kosher. Actually, products are kosher certified. Means that this is an Hebrew word. If you are exporting your agro products in Jewish country, Jew countries, so the Jewish people are very religious in dietary basis, and their diets are actually very much what you can say very good, and you can say very specific. So these people are actually getting the food certificate for their from their nation, and the food certificate is called Orthodox Union Kosher, and this is as per their law. For a product to be kosher certified, each ingredient, food additive, food processing unit to be checked. Additionally, it must be approved by their auditor only. They have their own auditor, and they are getting a certificate from their own auditor. And hence, see, if you are seeing this all 13 certificates, then you can see that in different countries various laws and rules and regulations of their own governments are there, and you have to follow these all their rules and regulations, so that you can have a good quality certification and good quality product, so that you can export in those countries. Actually, if you are promoting, if you are getting these certificates with their own countries, then you are nothing like that, and you are getting a very good profit, as they are having the value for money. The money you can get, lots of money you can get for your good product for your certified product. So get done with this all certificates, and grow your business. Thank you friends for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.